Hey guys. Okay, first things first, you'll notice if you listen quietly, you'll hear the sweet, sweet music of my brothers. They're actually in a band, so that's why they're playing or doing whatever. You can hear the music in the background is basically what I'm saying. Yeah, but so for this video, I wanted to trim my hair. I have very long hair. I think I haven't cut it for like a year. It's not as long as Jenna Marbles. So I watched Jenna Marbles' video about trimming her hair, and it was like a really easy way to trim your hair, first of all. But the reason that I really liked it was because the tutorial was really easy and it created layers, but it created layers in a way that angled your hair. And I recently tried to cut my own hair, so it looks really strange right around here. See, this is where my mistake occurred. See, I tried to cut angles better, but I still have angles over here. I don't know. You can see they're just not even. So I'm hoping that this thing will fix it. In advance, I apologize. My hair looks disgusting, but I didn't want to go in the shower first and then have wet hair for this because I think you're supposed to do it dry. So what I'm gonna do is just, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just gonna brush my hair out first. And then I'll put it into the ponytail like they said. Now I have my hair brushed out and I'm going to brush it all forward and put it in a ponytail right here. So they said the further back you put the ponytail, the more layers you'll have in the back and the more length you'll take off your hair. But the further forward you put your ponytail, the less length you'll take off overall and the more angles you'll have in the front. So that's what I'm gonna do. I wanna do more angles in the front and not take off from the length. I think I can't even see because it's in my eyes, but I think this looks how you're supposed to do it, yeah. So now you're supposed to put another ponytail here. Yes. I'm worried to cut this because I'm not sure what part, what location in my head is this piece of hair, you know? How do I know that? So now you would put another ponytail here and then point cut up this part. But my concern now is I want to make sure that when I cut this, I want to make sure that this piece of hair is actually where I think it is. So I think I'm going to be annoying and take this out. I don't know, let me hold here and see where this is on my head. Oh, this hurts. I want to rip my hair. So this piece of my hair is what would come off. Ah! Let me shake this out like a troll doll. Oh my god, that looks so stupid. Okay, so I wouldn't be cutting this mistake, but where would I be cutting from? What is this? I just look like this is the mistake. I shouldn't have done this. I don't know where. If I separate this, it'd be right here. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it. I feel like it'll be fine. I don't know. Maybe. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it again. I'm getting so nervous. Oh my god. I've tied this 3 times. I'm so nervous. Okay. Oh, okay. And now we're hoping for the best. My hair usually breaks really easily with these kinds of ponytails, so I usually don't even use these. I'm scared to cut that whole thing off. I know this seems like a lot, so I'm not really sure. I'm really nervous, because I feel like I can't tell where this is coming from. That's the thing. Maybe I'll do no, I think this is fine. Just point cutting straight up. Ooh, this is going right on the ground. I just realized that's not gonna make my mom happy. I'm hoping that this doesn't fuck my whole hair up. I'd be really sad. Now that I'm doing it, I'm feeling okay, yeah, it's fine. It's already happened, the relief of it happening at least. I hope hair cutters think this is okay to do. Probably not. Hair cutters never like when we do this. What are we talking about? Oh, it feels really nice right here, actually. It was really dead. I want to say that this is relaxing, but it's actually extremely nerve-wracking. I feel like if this wasn't my hair, it would be relaxing. Okay, let's take it out and see. Ooh, that feels nice. That feels really good. Ooh, moment of truth. Oh. Okay, I still have my length, it appears, which is good. Okay, I don't think that this was adjusted. What got fixed? Oh my god, I literally don't know what I just did. Are you kidding me? Okay. Alright, this is really upsetting to me. I think I just messed this up. I think I messed this up. What is that? That is not correct. Oh no. Jenna? Yours looks so good, mine looks so bad. What happened? Like I said, I had this part before, so that's me, that's all me. And that's what I wanted, but I wanted it to blend better with this. And that did not occur today. And that I in fact created a shelf over here. So that has greatly upset me. On the bright side, I think this may be at least even. Yeah. Alina, can you look at this? I think I messed this up big time. Like big time.
The front of your hair looks good.
No. The front of my hair, you can't even see anything.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
I meant your rings before.
Look at, what did I do? Is that blended? Does that look okay? Did I just mess everything up?
I don't know.
I think I did.
I think it's fine.
I don't know, it doesn't look, it looks fine, everything's fine. Okay, you know what? I think I'm freaking out for no reason. I think I was getting like sad because I cut my hair, but I am looking at it off camera and it doesn't look that bad. Like, this does look angled, like I was saying. And I have to say it looks better than it did before, because this was like really chopped before, and now it is like cohesive, at least, I think. It's better than it was before. And I also didn't lose length. I think I'm just being a big baby. This is even. It's even, you know? It's not like I have like crazy things happening. This is just different, you know? And it's not even that different from what I had. This is fine. Thank you, Jenna, for showing me this video, I guess. Even though I feel stressed. But I think this has been a good experience.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Get a piece from mom before I blow on it.
Make a wish!
Get a piece from mom before I blow on it.
Okay, give me a plate.
Actually, we shouldn't be blowing on this at all,
Yeah.
considering what's happening. Fan it out.
Hold on.
No, fan it out. Make a damn wish!
I will, watch
No,
out.
he needs to fan it out. Let's give him a
Put
portion.
your face in the picture.
Yeah, there we go. Make a wish.
Put the lights on.
Thank you, Andrew.
Take a picture.
Very thoughtful. Happy birthday.
Shut up.
Birthday.
Take some pictures.
I'm the only one that's not in.
Are you taking pictures?
This is a video.
Okay.
Mickey Mouse?
What am I, the camera?
I can screenshot it.
I'm really bad at pictures, so I can't do this. Marissa, you just got cake all over the place.
Sorry. Happy birthday. Wait, we'll do triple. Luna, you take a selfie, I'll take a selfie.
I'll take a picture of you.
Yeah.
Picture. Ready?
And go.
Marissa, Matthew, you gotta be out of it.
Oh, wait.
I am a big baby because actually I'm looking at it now even more and I actually love it. It looks really good. I overreacted. I'm taking a total 180. This is my favorite haircut I've ever had now. Just because like the angles look so, I don't know, even, and like it looks like so flowy. Like look at that. That looks so. I feel like that looks. That's exactly what I wanted. You know, and I still have this thing, so like. It's face framing, you know? It frames my face. It's perfect. Look at that. Look at me shaking. Like this. That's exactly what I wanted. Oh my god, I love it. Thank you. Thank you, Jenna Marbles. I take it back. Take it all back. This is my favorite haircut I've ever had. I did a complete 180. I was really upset at first, but I think that this is great. Thank you. Okay. Bye, guys.